Are you tired of spending hours of generating idea, creating content and publish on your channels? What if I told you there's an AI tools will help you to do all the things in one time? And of course, it will 10x faster than your manual method. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimrez.com, and today I'm gonna review a super helpful AI tool. So no more talks, let's get started. Meet Taja.ai, the ultimate AI assistant designed to help content creators, marketers, and businesses create high quality content in a second. Let's see how these tools will help you. Guys, this is Taja.ai. You can make 27 pieces of content from one single video in just one click, and you can immediately publish everywhere that where you want. And this is their official landing page. When you come, you will see, and here you can see this is their already customer list, and this is super incredible and people are love to using it. So upload a long form video and optimize through a short form video. So this is the sample, guys. You will click make this video with one click. So this is very quick and easy, and you can also schedule all the posted, all the separate media in one time. So this is one for video marketer, guys. Your next idea in a second. You don't need to generate idea randomly. These tools will help you to generate your content idea, and you can start your free trial from today that you want. I will give a link on this video description, but wait, I have a twist I will give you in last of this video. So this is the pricing model, guys. Don't need to worry about that. I will help you, because in AppSumo you will get a lifetime deal in one time single payment, was very amazing. I will give this link on this video description, so that will be my affiliate link. If you bought this tool from my using affiliate link, that will be helpful for my channel. Okay guys, let's get back on these tools. This is the login view. When you log in these tools, you will see this dashboard, and here you can see you can upload footage from your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, Facebook, OneDrive, and also you can input your link here, and within one click this video will post it. And here you can see I already uploaded one video from link, and that is the, you can also integrate the channel. And here you can see I don't add any channel yet, but if you want you can add that. And you can see the link in. So here is the 6 different social media platform that you can use to upload and schedule this content at the same time. Also you can add your team, so that's mean if you want to add someone will help you to this task. From these tools you will get these all features: next video idea, SEO optimization, thumbnail generator, short clips and text CapCuts, backlog boost, auto kickoff, and content calendar. So all in one, these tools, guys, you can definitely use that. That was my quick review of Taja, but don't worry, I will try to give the in-depth video how you can create content and publish and schedule for your all the social media platform in future. But this on time lifetime deal will close maybe, that's why that was my quick video, guys. If you want to purchase this tool immediately, you can do that. I will definitely do. You can, if you want to do, please use my link that I will give on this video description. That will be my affiliate link, and that will be support from you guys. I am making content, and every time if I got this kind of useful tools within and with also lifetime deals, so that will be incredible for you. So no more talks. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to keep subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon.